Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise that I have 16 years of experience in the area of fitness, healthy living, body sculpting, weight loss, natural ingredients, overcoming binge eating and eating disorders, and I have developed a transformation program that you can get it in 3 months and start to change yourself in 3 months, that I have been trying and finding the ways what's working, what's not working in these 16 years. I've been myself a professional swimmer, professional model. I have studied yoga, Pilates, and meditation, natural ingredients, and it's superpower how it can transform a life, health, looks, beauty, everything. And I put this all into the transformation program. You have an opportunity to inquire for a free consultation call that I offer, and I would love to give you this opportunity to change your life as well, how I have changed mine and changed the people who work with me as my clients, and I have changed their life as well. So I have here in YouTube description in this video a Google form. You can fill it up, we can get connected, and I can schedule with you a Zoom call, free consultation, and we will take from there. We'll get to know you, your struggle, your situation, and offer you a crafted, tailor-made specifically for you bespoke program how to transform your health, your body, and your life, because this is all interconnected. In today's video, I want to talk with you about the body positivity manipulation and how does it affect your life. It's affecting your health, it's affecting your self-esteem, self-worth, self-respect, let's be honest here, your career, your professional growth, your relationship with yourself. Of course, it's affecting your dating life, your family life, the relationship with your kids, your longevity. It affects everything. So I would say the body positivity, it's a manipulation. And there is, you could see that lately in the last couple of years, particularly if you would think about it, it's get more and more famous after COVID, when we was all locked down, when we was all sitting at home, we wasn't able to travel, to go to the gym, to go anywhere, we was locked. What we did, we just eat and sit. Somewhere we may work out at home, but it was boring, it was casual, it wasn't committed. So tend, and there is a result, there is a strategic documentation also in the publicly there published in internet, you can see it as well. There's a lot of growth in the area of obesity and weight in the area from post-COVID. And then you would see that fashion, beauty trends, modeling, they start to promote a body positivity on a high volume. You would think it's accident, you would think it's become more genuine, it's become less judgmental, but still, I'm not saying that body positivity is bad. You need to accept your body and you are capable to craft your body as you want. If you are comfortable to have these beautiful curves, and if you feel that it's yours, because most of the time, even when I talk with my clients, even when I was coaching my mom, she felt, she was sharing with me her genuine insight that I feel it's not mine. It's like, this bread, this binge eating that I have is just this extra, but it's not belong to me and it's bothering me. I do not feel confident. I do not feel in my skin comfortable because of this extra weight. And it's not about body positivity, because if the world so-called put a mask that they accept you and you are in the line of body positivity, it's still not 100% true, because still we are all human beings and we still have the nature of judging. And when you see, especially in the men world, they would always judge women by her looks. And they wouldn't choose like very polite and nice words, and let's be straight over here. They would just say in a straight manner that someone is overweighted. They would make fun of each other, whomever they are dating. No matter what is their age, we could always be grounded to the fact that we as a women or especially the men as well, it's still teenagers, it's still kid soul inside, and they would still be in a playful manner. It does not mean that someone is CEO, 45 years old, having a gray hair, and he do not use this vocabulary. He still can be bold, he can still be straightforward, and he can still use these words in a casual setting, not in a board meeting or something like that. So, and there's a lot of sensitivity in a body positivity as well, that it's, you are inhuman when you say straight. You do not need to be judgmental, but again, first of all, it's your relationship to yourself. Excuse me. It's not that you need to worry about how people pursue you, but it's important how you pursue yourself. If you think that today trends is body positivity, and if you have this extra weight, you would accept, but still when you look at yourself in the mirror, this is the bold truth, how you relate to yourself. When you see these extra centimeters, extra pounds on yourself, how do you feel about it? And it's also absolutely fine to love it. And it's also absolutely fine to work on it, to do some massage, to apply some oil, to do some wrapping, to do some spa, to do some jogging, to do some skipping rope, and you would improve, and you would love, and you would enjoy from this sweat. And how it's affect also your health, because in the long run, does not matter, you are 35 right now, you are 25, you are 45, with the age, your metabolism is going down, and it's more difficult to lose weight. And again, the people, by the study, by the scientists, by the Oxford, by the Stanford, there is always the fact, and fact is solid, that people who have an extra weight, they have an issues with the health more than fit people. I'm not saying that fit people are super healthy and never get a disease. This also absurd, because again, it's interconnection. Your physical health, your mental health, because there is a lot of psychosomatic, a lot of mental illness that come from the way you pursue the world, the way you pursue yourself. And if you pretend to be nice and positive, but inside your head you have these ugly thoughts about yourself and others, it would diverge down to the illness, and it's bad energy. But you can use this bad energy for your benefit by going to the gym, by sweating, by running, by going to the marathon, by swimming, horse riding, art therapy, meditation, yoga. You do physical activity, not only for the name to get these measurements and have the perfect body. This is already maniacal way, and it's not healthy either. But it's about that you know that this is your health, because if you are today 30, if you continue eating this way, KFC, McDonald's, fried, oily, spicy, alcohol regularly, smoking, in 10 years of time, you will get different shape of your body. You would need to sleep more. You would need to recover after hangover more. Your skin would look dull. And when you show up at a meeting, when you show up in the environment with a new investor, with a new client, with a new employee, they would judge you by your look. Even if you are a super genius person, if you was hot smoking 10 years ago, you still would change because of your habits, and you are what is your habits. And remember, the first, it's your mindset, how you pursue yourself and others. Then it translates in your words, and what you are, what you are, what you eat, you are what you speak. So your talk, your speak, how you speak to yourself and to others, how you build the hierarchy of your prioritization. If you do not prioritize your health, it would punch you back in an ugly way as well. So then it's becoming your habits. If you neglect your habits and you neglect your health, you neglect your physical appeal, it would also smash you back. And your dating life, your personal life, your sexual life, it also would be at the effect, because the other person, your partner, would also look at you from this glass that you are changing. And if you was before in this shape and now you become in this shape, and you lose interest to build up the shape. But it's like having the talent and do not use this talent. It's like in Bible, God, a creator, whatever you believe, even if you are atheist, you come to this world with this health, with this physical appeal, with the talents. Why not to use it for your own benefit and to make it maximum of it? So do not rely of what media set you up to. If media set you up to the trend that it's body positivity and you fall into it, and let's not do anything, but still the facts are stay same. In other video a couple of weeks I was sharing with you the statistic of 2023. It grows majorly compared to 2022, or especially 10 years ago, the obesity level, and it's spreading not only in US, also Middle East have an issue with the obesity, even the Europe have also issues with the obesity. So we are what we eat, and it's not only to shut up the hunger, it's also to nourish yourself, to nourish your cells, to nourish your body, because it's your health in the long run. And it's not only about physical appeals that you go to the gym, you go to do yoga, you do run. It's also about how you feel, how your partner been staying attracted to you after 5 years, after 1 year, after 2 dates. Like, you know, everyone have different drive of attraction. But first of all, it also helps you to build the self-love, self-respect, self-realization, foundations, the power, because you know that you sweat, you cry, you have overcome, you go through, you have a breakdown, you go breakthrough, and then you see there is so much power in you. So any challenges happening with you in life, you can repeat this as your mantra, like, I have overcome those, I'm not afraid. In the morning, I have done 10 minutes sweaty Tabata that Anastasia have at her channel. I'm not afraid of the day, anything. The car gets breakdown, you have a conflict, no matter, you can resolve, because you have this endorphin drive in your body. You have your posture open, you are straightforward, you remove the distraction, you quit the bad habits, you prioritize your health, your habits, your body. And this is what I would call a body positivity. When you are positive about your body as a full system from inside and out, for your well-being, for the way you look, to use it as your talent, for the personal life, for the sexual life, for the dating life, for the marriage life, all this concept. Also, even to spend time with your family, you need a lot of energy. You need a lot of energy to play with your kids, to take care of your kids. And when you are having some extra weight, it's more difficult. But when you loosen up, and not just to sit on a diet, but when you implement these different aspects, food, natural ingredients, being active, going to the workouts, dedicating a time for your mental health, your change in all areas would transform. You would see transformation, you would see that there is happening, evolving over the spiral, while the bad habits taking you on the spiral all the way down. So it's you who choose where you want to go. And I'm sure, as we all want, you want to grow, you want to evolve, and you want to be the best version of yourself. So stop anything else that you was doing and dedicating your time to the bad habits, because you live once, you have this beautiful life, no matter what is your age, no matter how long you think you would live, no matter how long you see yourself living, make it at the best. You would be able to travel a lot, you would see more opportunities, you would get more ideas of how to self-fulfill your life, your desires, your dreams, how to find the ways to make money, how to be happy, how to have the best sex of your life, how to nourish your body, and all puzzles come together. So this is what I wish you. I have a free consultation call. Do not wait any further. The link is down below for the Google form. Fill it up, and I will see you on the call, and I will see you in the next video. See you.